Welcome to Words Facts, where we explore the fascinating world of global economies. In today's video, we will counting down the top 10 largest economies by GDP in 2024. What is GDP? GDP is the gross domestic product. It is the total monetary value of all goods and services produced within a country's borders over a specific time period, typically measured annually or quarterly. At number 10 is Canada, known for its vast natural resources including oil, minerals and timber. Canada boasts a high standard of living and a wealthy economy. The country's well-developed infrastructure and robust financial system contribute to its position as one of the world's largest economies. At number 9 we have Brazil, the largest economy in South America. Brazil rich natural resources and agricultural exports such as soybeans and coffee play a crucial role in its economy. The country's industrial sector is also a significant contributor with strong performances in manufacturing and mining. Coming in at number 8 is Italy, a country with a rich history and strong economy. Italy is well known for its manufacturing prowess, particularly in the fashion and automotive industries. Next up at number 7 is France. France is renowned for its luxury goods, aerospace industry and high standard of living. The French economy is diverse with strengths in agriculture, manufacturing and services. Paris, the capital, is also a major financial hub, adding to the country's economic clout. At number 6 we have United Kingdom, a major financial center with a rich history of global influence. The UK's economy is diverse with strong sectors in finance, technology and creative industries. London in particular is one of the world's leading financial capital, making the UK a key player in the global economy. India takes the number 5 spot with its fast growing economy and massive workforce. India's technology sector is blooming, making it a hub for innovation and startups. The country's services industry, particularly in IT and telecommunications, is a significant contributor to its GDP. At number 4 is Germany, Europe's largest economy. Germany is synonymous with engineering excellence, particularly in the automotive and industrial sectors. Brands like Volkswagen, BMW and Siemens are global leaders, driving Germany's reputation as an economic powerhouse. At number 3 we have Japan, a country known for its advanced technology and strong work ethic. Japan's economy is driven by its automotive industry, electronics and robotics. Taking the number 2 spot is China, a global manufacturing hub and major player in international trade. China's rapid economic growth over the past few decades has been nothing short of remarkable. With its massive population and expanding middle class, China continues to exert significant influence on the global economy. And finally at number 1 we have United States, the world's largest economy. The US economy is driven by a diverse range of industries including technology, finance and healthcare. Innovations are the heart of the American economy, making it a global leader in many sectors. And that wraps up our countdown of top 10 largest economies by GDP in 2024. These countries are not only economic giants but also major influencers in global affairs. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on the world's most interesting facts and figures. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.